Shut the fuck up. Alright, today is... I don't even read that bullshit. Today is February 19th, 7 o'clock on the dot, damn near. Up on a little late because I was kind of busy, I'm not gonna lie, but just errands and family stuff, handing stuff for my family today, so I was kind of busy, so I don't really upload a little later today. But let's get through this shit normally. Workout day. Yesterday was leg day. Clips will be in this video per usual. Alright, going to the gym now. I have literally 0 miles in my car, and I'm not stopping to get gas, so it's just pray we make it there and back safely. Leg day right now. Leg day. Go get this work in. Hopefully it ain't too packed, because when it's packed on leg day, it's like I do so many workouts for my leg day, like it's just like I be in there all fucking day. So let's pray it ain't packed today. I think my phone's actually dying. Let me plug it up actually. Yeah, other than that, let's talk about. We're gonna get in here. Hit these legs, get out for real. Just got to the gym, and not gonna lie, this is the most packed it has ever been in here. So we finna go in here and see how this shit looking on the inside, but it's not looking good. Not looking good right now. It's hanging. It's not looking good right now. Pluto got it knocking you.
It's 7 a.m. I just check my phone. I see 3 missed calls from you. I don't wanna talk, I annoy you. Been getting money, getting high, I don't got time for you. Where we go from here, I promise that it's on you. They you ID, what you doing? You started dressing like me, guess it's my influence, huh? And this bar, shit no joke, yeah, this a moving, huh? Got number 9, selling Ron, and some sweet, huh? Been counting money till my fingers hurt, they bleeding, huh? And every time I sit that cup, I pray to demons, huh? I activated, please leave me alone. It's 7 a.m. I just check my phone. I see 3 missed calls from you. I don't wanna talk, I annoy you. Been getting money, getting high, I don't got time for you. Where we go from here, I promise that it's on you. They you ID, what you doing? You started dressing like me, guess it's my influence, huh? W-Y-D. What do I do with this pain on the side? I pray he don't try me. That's gonna be the day that I catch a fucking high on me. Cruising on the interstate, got 30 right beside me. I miss my cousin every day, I'm praying that he watch me. I'm scared that I'ma fuck it up, but I know that God got me. I'm scared that I might fuck it up, but I know that y'all got me. I activated, please leave me alone. It's 7 a.m. I just check my phone. I see 3 missed calls from you. I don't wanna talk, I annoy you. Been getting money, getting high, I don't got time for you. Where we go from here, I promise that it's on you. They you ID, what you doing? You started dressing like me, guess it's my influence, huh?
We got a nice GT350 here. Oh, look at this cargo bass. Black and white, red accents, pretty fire.
You want to get an exhaust note?
Huh?
You want to get an exhaust note?
Hey.
What the sound is.
Hey, let me hear it. Hopefully the mic picks it up. Let me see what it's talking about. Okay. It got super loud quick. Jeez. All right, leaving the gym now. Good workout, good legs. It was kind of packed, but other than that, it was a pretty good workout. Bro, that GT350 was literally the loudest car I've ever heard in person. That shit, I don't know if the mic picked it up or how loud that shit was actually like insanely loud, bro. Like at first I'm thinking, okay, so it's calm, a little quiet, a little but then he opened the exhaust. Oh my god, that shit got stupid loud. Cause like I thought it was quiet, so I got close to it. For me, I put the camera close to it, but then when he opened it, like it was so loud, I literally had to back up. That shit was so loud. Oh my god. That shit was fire though. Cool dude. Let me record his car. Turned it on for me. Pretty cool dude. Appreciate that. His name is Andrew. Talked to him a little bit after the video, man. Nice guy. Where's his car doing? It's green, bro. You can go. But yeah, I'm going home now. I made some Alfredo. I think it's a one over there. I don't know if you can see it or not. I made some chicken Alfredo for dinner. I'm about to go home, eat, chill. Tomorrow's a rest day, so I'm trying to plan some content for tomorrow. Hopefully I get some good trades in tomorrow to put in the video to make up time for the video, but I'm trying to plan some content for tomorrow because tomorrow's a rest day. So other than that, anything else happen, I'll put the camera back up, I'll vlog and record it, and yeah. Ginger of water. I'm on my 5th one. No, I'm tripping. My 2nd of the day. I had 3 yesterday, so it's 5th combined. You give it where that should happen. Read Bible. Time to sleep per usual. Basic schedule. I don't know if it's fixed. I'm waking up at 6 o'clock a.m. and I'm sleeping from like 1 to 3, 4. So I'm up from 6. I'm trading. I'm at 1 o'clock. That's cool. It's a little nap, so that's not bad. But yeah, my only problem is I have trouble falling asleep at nighttime. Like at night, I'll be up just tossing and turning. I just can't sleep at night. I don't know. I'm probably much melatonin. I don't know. Better food habits. I had chicken Alfredo for dinner yesterday. Today for breakfast, I had a bagel and yogurt and ramen. That's about it. Not bad. Not the best. Pretty good. Decent. Fun to trade. I took trades today. Today was a very. You'll see it's about video, but today was really just so much going on. tomorrow you'll see that though. Parlays, I'm not putting parlays in. I think he's just putting a parlay in today, so I might like. I don't know. I might probably put a parlay in today on the Lakers game. We'll see how that goes. We'll see. AirPods video, doing that right now. And other than that, thank you guys for all the recent engagement, the recent views, recent likes, recent comments, everything. I really appreciate it. I just want to go up and have my message reach out to other people. Like, consistency is really all it takes to grow and better your life. Because, I'm not going to lie, I will say where I'm at right now, I'm at a better mental, physical, emotional, immunical, whatever the word is. I feel like I'm better than I was 3 months ago. So I just consistency, doing the right thing. I think I was thinking somewhere it takes 21 days to build a habit. So consistency is the way to better your life. But thanks for your engagement. Thank you for everything that y'all been doing for my channel. I really appreciate it. I'm at 21 subs now, I think, and that's 21 more than I had 2-3 months ago. So thank you guys, and yeah, see you tomorrow's video.